Hey guys, it's Chris at AutoMotivate, and I have some dirty wheels. I'm talking about with brake dust and all that grimy crap. Now, there are so many different ways that you can clean the tire and rims of your car. Some range from like $15 all the way down to like $3 as base price, depending on which product you use. But today, we are going to use a budget product with a kind of higher brand product. And the budget product isn't something necessarily made to clean the wheels. And we are going to see which one is the best or worst between the two products. So I'm sure you have already seen it. We're gonna use Coca Cola because it's acidic, cheap, and I'm fairly certain it could do the job just as well as the Eagle One all-wheel cleaner. And we will find out if that's the case. And if that's not the case, at least we know. And if it is the case, at least we know. On the driver's side wheel, we have Coca Cola. Now these wheels have not been cleaned in a very long time. So we'll see how this goes. I'm sure it'll do well. And on the passenger side, we are using the Eagle One all-wheel tire cleaner. There's no directions on how to clean the wheels on the car with soda. So I'm just gonna spray it down, let it sit for a couple minutes, and spray down with water. The main deal that I'm trying to do is to see if I need to scrub with the Coca Cola. So basically, I'm gonna spray it with Coke, let it sit, then spray it down with some water. I don't have a hose, but I will be using a water bottle. And I'll be using a water bottle attachment for this Coke as well. Let's get to it. Totally missed me spraying it all, but I sprayed it all like this. Eagle One. Now the Eagle One, I guess I should read the directions before I start spraying. Spray and soak for 30 seconds, one wheel at a time. Back on Coca Cola side. So Coca Cola did very little on this side. Back to Eagle One. So Eagle One is working a little bit as I spray. It's kind of picking up. I'm not sure if you see that or not. So we just did test one, and test one, it didn't do much, and that's kind of what I expected. I kind of expected some agitation. The Coke sat a bit longer than the Eagle One because Eagle One said only 30 seconds. I probably let it sit probably for about a minute. And when I sprayed down the Coke with the water, I didn't see any of the residue actually picking up. However, on the Eagle One side, a lot more came off, but it's still pretty dirty. So now what we are gonna do, we're gonna spray each side with Coke, then Eagle One, then agitate it. I have a little brush. Here's thy brush. And I'm gonna agitate it and scrub everything and see what picks up the most. Let's get to it. So we're back on the Coca Cola side, as you can tell. I'm gonna spray it down, let it soak. That's water spraying out, hang on. All right, looks good to me. Let's swap sides. We're on the Eagle One all-wheel cleaner side. Letting it soak for about 30 seconds, then we'll scrub down both sides. As you can see, it's not really doing much on the tire itself. The tire is already pretty clean. Here's my trusty scrubber. Let's start scrubbing stuff. So after quick scrubbing, that looks pretty good. Let's do the other side. It's currently raining, so I'm gonna do it quick. Now, as you can see, the Eagle One product did significantly better compared to the Coca Cola. Coca Cola still did a pretty decent job for being a soda. But let me go ahead and go over the Coca Cola side with the Eagle One product and see if it picks up anything else. I did the same amount of elbow grease on just about both sides, at least that's what it felt like. Let's go ahead and try the Eagle One on the Coca Cola side. So like this right here, that needs work. Let's see if it picks up. I think it might be able to. Let that soak for about 30 seconds. So we got the old scrubby back. Let's see what's up. See if this picks up right here.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying.
So my goal for this video is essentially to potentially help you save money in one way or another. I was going for Coke because Coke is pretty cheap and you can get it just about anywhere. So I was kind of thinking that maybe Coke would be a nice product I can line up against the leading product that cleans wheels. And it did okay. However, obviously the Eagle One tire cleaning product is the winner in the best product lineup between the best and worst wheel cleaner. And the Coke didn't do so hot. I was hoping that maybe the acid within the Coke could break down all the grease in itself, but it didn't. So if anything, I helped you from wasting your money to buy Coke and spray it on your wheels like I did. So don't do that and just buy the actual product. I know this product, since I just tested it, did pretty well. And I even tried to test it on the grimy backside of the other wheel and that grime kind of came off decently easy. So if that's your goal, this is not a bad product. I know that Sonax is a pretty good product as well. I haven't tried it myself, but I've seen thousands of videos on it and it does look pretty good. I've seen videos where they sprayed the whole bottle on one wheel. Don't do that. Just a light coat, let it soak, let it drip down, spray it off the water. It's supposedly a non-scrub wheel cleaner, so that's good. As you can see, I didn't do the tires itself because my tires were already pretty clean. I'm sure if I scrubbed in this Coke, the tires would clean up an okay amount. This product will be in the description down below. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and check it out. So I'm hoping that you found some type of entertainment or information on this video that helped you out in whatever you're trying to do. Don't have dirty wheels like me and always appreciate one another. If you have time, check out one of these videos. And this is Chris AutoMotivate. I'll see you next time.